In this video, I will be showing you how to change your location in NordVPN. If you're using a Mac or any device, you can see first open your application itself, NordVPN, and simply scroll to this section. You can see we have now a location showing up on the left side of our screen. So it is just one click to change your location to any of these desired places. But before we proceed, you can head over to the link in the description below to get 70% off onto your first purchase, and this is a huge value to miss out on, so do not do that. So head over to that link and get your 70% off. So you can see we have these locations, but let's just say you want to connect to something else. You can click onto these three dots and you can see we have cities in here in the countries and various servers available as well, and you need to click on this quick connect option, and this is going to be enabling you to simply connect to different locations, and that's how you can change your location using NordVPN. And that's how simple it is. If you still have any questions, you can feel free to let us know in the comments below. I hope this helps. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.